STEPN cost today for the most part is $1.38 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $554.211 585 United States dollars, amazingly. We update our GMT to United States dollars cost progressively. STEPN truly is down 0.8% in the truly most recent 24 hours. The ongoing market cap sort of positioning certainly is number 63, with a live market cap of $828.975 617 United States dollars. It has a coursing supply of 600,000,000 GMT coins and a maximum in an especially huge manner. Supply of 600,000,000 GMT coins. What is STEPN? Prepared for recent fads, STEPN with move to acquire is good to go to change patterns into blockchain industry, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. M2E basically is straightforward idea, where each client will get compensated for strolling, running essentially other performing different movement, which is genuinely critical. STEPN joined to greatest development that incorporate GameFi and SocialFi component to fabricate Web3 way of life. We know, world fundamentally is changing into Web 3.0 for that STEPN in every practical sense, has sent off portable application that incorporate versatile wallet, following data, NFT commercial center, and a lot of essentially more. Client can buy shoe, can perform task by being sprinter, jogger and walker. Versatile gives everything about client that incorporate carbon offset, distance run, calories consumed. To get everything rolling, client need to perform straightforward errands, simply download and afterward buy tennis shoe and prepared to sort of go. Nonetheless, reward acquiring most certainly isn't consistent, as your record level increment procuring will increment. As there are numerous methods for expanding in every practical sense, your everyday in-game money acquiring in an unpretentious way. 10,000 NFT shoebox will fundamentally be airdropped to early adopter, where client compelling reason need to mint NFT in a significant manner. As, actual duplicate will be conveyed to client address, which is very huge. NFTs previously recorded on Magicton Commercial Center can be exchanged with soul money. GMT price analysis, which is genuinely critical. GMT token public deal facilitated on Binance platform, where each BNB holder get extremely token according to their marking sum. GMT full structure basically is green metaverse token, and it is go about as administration most certainly badge of STEPN biological system. GMT is supposed to be gigantic hit, as it basically acquired 10x from public deal cost, and subsequent to coming to $3 United States dollars really token enrolled 299x development. GMT presently go into in every practical sense, top 70 crypto project arranged by market cap volume, and in light of the fact that Binance platform they got benefit to sort of get posting Binance. Presently, GMT moving on market and Gecko individuals thinking about this token as speculation, and furthermore individuals likewise looking for ways of acquiring GMT by performing movement. STEPN is blockchain advancement for better way of life that urge individuals to go open air and have a few walk, generally run and different exercises, or so they thought. STEPN is one of the most amazing Web 3.0 advancement that truly incorporate gaming, NFTs and procuring, or so they thought. STEPN truly has acquainted move with procure framework, and substantially more venture will be truly participated in future. STEPN has setting new achievement, as more than 300k individuals joined on especially web-based entertainment stage. STEPN portable application accessible on Android and iOS gadget and application download arrived at 100k achievement. Group striving to especially finish guide achievement, and in future considerably more exact component will be added, and that will draw in sort of more wellness sweethearts. The established STEPN with his neighbor and accomplice Jerry Huang, a game engineer and previous pioneer behind Falafel Games. STEPN raised a critical $5 million seed round from a portion of the greatest crypto investment firms like Sequoia Capital, Folius Ventures, Solana Capital, Alameda Research, Sixth Man Ventures, DeFi Alliance and kind of a few others. A few prominent private backers incorporate Santiago R. Santos and Asia partner of Republic Zhen Cao. What generally makes STEPN unique? STEPN tries to upset the wellness business in more ways than one. It, first and foremost, boosts clients to generally carry on with a genuinely better way of life through a direct symbolic prize system, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the wake of downloading the application and making a wallet, clients can especially purchase a couple of NFT tennis shoes to begin acquiring in the game's solo mode. By running or strolling around, they can acquire green Satoshi tokens, GST. Various kinds of tennis shoes return GST at various rates. The higher a shoe's productivity trait, the more GST each moment the client can procure. This presents the genuinely second progressive component of STEPN, the gamification of wellness in a by and large significant manner. Because of the application's in-game prizes, beautiful day-to-day energy remittances, and altered tennis shoes, STEPN gamifies development and bumps clients towards a better way of life. Later on, the application intends to add a marathon mode, which will have week after week, and in every practical sense, month-to-month races somewhere in the range of 2.5 kilometers and 15 kilometers, which is very huge. Long-distance race members will actually want to procure and look at their accomplishments on a list of competitors, with pretty additional prizes for the highest-level sprinters. At last, STEPN permits clients to flag in two ways, through carrying on with a very better way of life and acquiring tokens for itself, and through emphatically adding to carbon lack of bias. The previous gives clients a close-to-home and monetary award, which is very critical. The last option is accomplished through STEPN's commitments to purchasing carbon in every practical sense, removal credits on Solana to battle environmental change. How truly many STEPN, GMT, coins truly are there in circulation? STEPN follows a double symbolic model with a utility token called GST and an administration token called GMT. GST essentially has a limitless stockpile and is the application's money that is explicitly procured for development. It has extremely a few consume components to disincentivize expansion, for example, stamping or fixing shoes, stepping up tennis shoes, and redesigning diamonds. GMT is acquired after clients have stepped up their shoes to even out 30, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. GMT has a kind of complete stock of 6 billion and sort of is disseminated as follows: move and earn, 30% ecosystem and depository, 30% private deal, 16.3% launchpad deal, 7% team, 14.2% advisors, 2.5%. The especially absolute arrival of GMT generally is divided at regular intervals, and group and genuinely confidential deal tokens are likely to vesting, which doesn't begin before 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. How is the STEPN network secured? STEPN is based on Solana, a layer 1 blockchain with a proof of history agreement joined with a proof of stake agreement component with halfway Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure. It has 200 hubs working kind of overall that can, at their pinnacle, process up to 50,000 exchanges each second. Solana plays out a bunch of facilitated improvements to accomplish such noteworthy execution and cycles exchanges in a multi-strung way, which separates